How to change profile picture size on Samsung Galaxy A05. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change profile picture size on Samsung Galaxy A05. If at the end of this video guys, you find it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now guys, how do you do this? First thing to do is open up your phone, then go to your phone app. When you click on your phone app guys, you see these three line dots here, click on it. Then from the message popped up, go ahead and click on settings. When you click on settings, it will bring you to this page with multiple informations. Just go ahead and click on color information. When you click on color information guys, you see three options there, which is profile picture size. Just click on it, then you see message pop up, small and large. If you want it large, just click on the large. You can see the large font here. Then if you want to change it to small, you can just click on small. Can you see the changes guys? So guys, that is how to change profile picture size on Samsung Galaxy A05. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.